Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the TT based encoder and decoder because it's our core area. As a EC engineer, we know encoder and decoder, where it will be used, what is the empathy part, what is the define part. It's very, very important. So we can see one by one. We have 5 stages, you know very well: empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So encoder and decoder, where we used and how we used, and what is the empathy part and what is the prototype and testing, and we can see one by one. We can start.
So I'm going to discuss about the empathy part. Uh, Actually, the main users for this are data communication experts and signal audio video processors, etc. So the challenges are faced like issues in data corruptions, noise interference, latency, power efficiency. By interviewing the reviews, we can understand their needs, like to expand the bandwidth and the signal fidelity.
So let me define the database for you. First, let me explain what is defined. To define the empathize part, we need to clearly know what we are going to work on in this. So that we are going to improve the encoder and decoder for to reduce the errors in it. Without, if we convert it in, we does not get errors or noises. So by increasing it, we improve the efficiency.
So next I'm going to say about ideate. So ideate is the part where we pour our creativity and where we give multiple suitable solutions to the problem. So in this concept, the main concept where we are going to focus is, should the encoder focus on error solving or the compression speed or error false requirements? And should the encoder and decoder follow some advanced methods like Hoffman method, or should the encoder and decoder follow the new age AI revolution, or we should employ hardware technologies over software for more easy and complex less informations?
I'm here to speak about the ideas instance. The harm prevention algorithms are Huffman encoding and redundant encoding, and the errors and corrections are cyclic parity checker and low parity checker.
In this topic, I am going to say tell about prototype. It is to develop a working model of both decoder and encoder. In this process, tools are used. MATLAB tools are used for digital processing algorithms. The components, the hardware components are used in this prototypes are DSP chip and microprocessor. It is used to develop it is developed by a decoder and encoder developed by Python or C program.
So I am going to say about the test. We are going to take the prototype and we are going to test it on the real life scenarios, and we are going to get the feedbacks and we are going to work on for more iteration. So we are going to test its performance by checking its latency rate, so their errors and their efficiency, and most importantly, we are going to compare it with variable other data streams like audio, video, text, etc. And we are going to get the feedback from the users, and according to the feedback, we are going to alter it for further development.
The design thinking topic. By following the design thinking process, we ensure the encode and the decode. By this is not only by technically sound and also use the user center and effectively in the real world needs and involves in and individually.
So we seen 5 empathy parts in the DT based of encoder and decoder. In the wherever the communication is going on, the encoder and decoder is plays a major role. Means once we have the information, original information, we want to encode in the sense like a plain text. It's unreadable format. We can send and to the composed image or data we send to the transmitter. The other end, the receiver will be received and then decode the information. So encoder and decoder is a major role in wherever the communication, like a safety measurement and for sending the information to other one without any deletion or addition or any other information. That's all a very important parameter of the encoder and decoder.